All right, good afternoon. My name is Emmanuel Coyote. I'll be sharing with you on 80-20 rules. 80-20 rules. Most of the time, we often try to get success, but getting it becomes a very difficult stuff for us. But introducing yourself to this 80-20 rules, I think it's going to help you at some point in achieving that success. All right, so what is the 80-20 rules all about? Like achieving success, most of the time we often try much as possible to execute our plan even before planning, right? Yeah. And what we just want to do is some person really do not have that patience to wait to make plans before achieving their goals or executing their plans, right? Yeah, you need to make time for yourself. Think about what you're going to do before trying to execute. So by that process of you waiting, now this is where your 80-20 rules need to come to play. Now 80% of the effects of 80% of the effect is mainly caused by 20% of the cause. That's the 80-20 rules. 80% of the effect is caused by 20% of the causes. All right, what is that? What is it trying to say? Now, if you spend your course, we usually take not much time to plan, and boom, we just execute it, and you plan to, and you think you're going to succeed in that area. It's not going to be really possible. So now, initiating your 80-20 rules will help you to make plans and try much as possible to execute it. All right, now this is how it works. Now 20% of the courses outline the list of issues, that's your top priority problems. You outline them and spend 80% of your time thinking about that course. All right, so by that 80%, possibly solutions will come. Now, getting the best out of yourself, right? Adapting to the 80-20 rules. Now, the 80-20 rules, 80% of the effect is being caused by 20% of the causes. Now, most of us really want to get 100, right? 100, but we fail to understand that 20% of these causes is what give an effectiveness of the 20. Now, if you spend 20% focusing on your problem, all right, focusing on your problem, you have much time to think about the problem. All right, now the 80% rule says that spend more time to strategize. Use 80% to strategize and take 20% to it. You can actually spend more time planning. That's take 80% of your time, use it to plan. Then you use the remaining 20% to achieve or execute your plan. All right. Most persons planning has become underrated. Most persons don't plan. Most persons just want to achieve their goals without planning. Planning is one of the bedrock of success. So you need to be able to know how to strategize your plan. So strategizing your plan is a major bedrock for every successful goal. All right. So planning should be your top notch. So 80% should go for planning and 20% to be able to achieve your plan. The 80-20 rules, it can actually go for all areas of your endeavor. You can actually put it in several aspects as a model or as a strategy to get each of your goals. If you really want to get results, right, the 80-20 rules is one of the top notch strategic plan or strategic techniques to use, and I want you to start adopting it now, and the sky will be your footprints. All right, so see you next time on our next video. Still remain Emmanuel Kayode Ufei.